So the correct answer here is A. Why? Because we have negative 9x. When it's negative, then it goes the other direction. Is this clear? Clear or not clear?
Clear.
Clear. Let's go to the next question. Rewrite the expression with positive
Alternate.
exponents. Positive exponent. Is this positive exponent?
Negative.
Negative. What this mean? It means cube root, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I have 8, 1 over 3, what's the answer here?
Square root of x.
Cube root of 8. Okay? Right. What does it mean when I have 8 to the power of negative 1? It means 1 over
8.
8. So if you want to combine this together, what will be how it looks like? It's going to be 1 over cube root
Cube 8.
of 8. What's the cube root of 8? 2. So that's your final answer. Okay? So you can write this as 1 over cube root of 8 equal what? 1 over 2. So what the answer here? 1 over? Here, be careful because here we have two answers. 1 over 2 here. Rewrite the expression with positive. So it's going to be 1 over cube root of 8. And that's the final answer. Is this clear? Next question, number 4. Use properties of Russian expression to simplify the expression. Okay, so first I have the outside is half. What does this mean?
Square.
Square root. Square root of what? Of everything here, right?
Yes.
Okay. What does it mean? X to the power of 1 over 5. What does this mean? It means the fifth root of what?
1.
Fifth root of x. Okay. What does it mean? Y to the power of negative 1. 1 over y. What does it mean? Y to the power of 5 over 2 means square root of what? Y to the power of what? 5. Okay. So if you want to combine this together, how you combine this together? The answer will be what? It's going to be 1 over square root of y to the power of what? 5. That's if you combine this together. Okay. So your final answer will be what? What's in the top?
Fifth root of 5x.
Yes. So it's going to be the fifth root of x over what?
Over
Square root of y to the power of 5. I'm not finished yet. Why? Because all this to the power of what?
1 over
1 over 2. That means what? It means I am taking, I have to distribute this how many times? Twice. Very good. So if you distribute this 2 times, what are you going to get? This is half, right? And this is 1 over 5. It's going to be what? 10. And this one? Fourth, right? Is this clear? So your final answer here, 10th root of x over the fourth root of what? Y to the power of 5. Next question. we need to do addition or subtraction or multiplication? Okay, so we need to multiply this times this. Okay. Okay, so x to the power of 3 over 8, correct? Correct or not correct? Times x to the power of what? Half. Since we have the same base, we add a exponent. So I have x to the power of 3 over 8 plus 1 over 2. 3 over 8 plus 1 over 2. Do we have common denominator? So we have to change it. So it becomes 1 over 2 times what? Times 4. And if you play in the bottom, so they give you 4 over 8 plus 3 over 8. That give you what? 7 over 8. So what is the answer for this one? X to the power of 7 over 8. Or you can write it as cube root, 8 roots of 7 to the power of 7. This is correct and this is correct. Is this clear? Let's go to the next one. Use the product rule to multiply. Here it's what? Multiplication, correct? Now we have same root, right? 7th root. So now I can just say 7th root, 7 times what? 12 times x squared times x to the power of 3 times y to the power of 1 times y to the power of 5. If you use a calculator or just do the multiplication, 7 times what? 7 times 2, 14. Mark, you carry 1. 7 times 1, 7 plus 1, 84. So this one is 84.
X to the power of 5.
Times x 2 plus 3. Y 1 plus 5. So it's going to be 84 x to the power of 5, y to the power 6. All this under what? The 7th root. So you put the answer where? Here. Easy? Next question. Next question. Cube root of 16, x to the power of 17, y to the power of 12. Okay, so what should we do now?
We put 81 multiply 192 86.
16. I need cube root, perfect cube number from 16. What's a perfect cube number? 2 times 2 times 2, correct? That's 3 numbers, the same, right? That give you how much? 8. So what's missing? 2, because I need 16. So the first thing you should do is that you say 8 times 2. 2 goes outside, become what? 8 goes outside, become? 2. And what's left under is a 2. Okay, 17, x to the power of 17. Can we divide 17 by 3?
Yes. No.
17 cannot divide by 3.
Can do 15.
What about 15?
Yes.
Yes. So you say x to the power of 15 times x to the power of what? 2.
2.
Because we are missing plus 2 over, right?
Yes.
To make 17. What else is missing? The y. Can y divide by 12?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So if you take this outside, it becomes what? X to the power of 5. Because we divide by 3. And what's left?
X 2.
Can I take y square outside? Y to the 12? Become y what? 4. Correct. Easy as easy? So this is your final answer. Where do you put this answer?
In the box.
In the box here. Okay. Number
8.
8. Okay, number 8, it said add or subtract. Yes, I can add and I can subtract. Why I can add? Because it's fourth root and fourth root. Now, is it addition or subtraction? Subtraction. So, first, let's take a look at 81. Can I take 81? 81 is what by what?
9.
Is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, correct?
Yes.
That give you what? 27 times what? 3. If you take the 27 outside, it become what? 3. And what's left under 3? What else I have? X to the power of 4. Can I take x to the power of 4? We have to split it. 3 and 1. So times what? X to the power of 3 times x to the power of 1. Take the x to the power of 3 outside, become what? X. And what's left? X to the power of 1. Is this clear or not clear? So I finished the first part. Now let's go to the next part. What's the next part?
We're taking the another.
192 times x. Now think, what 192 is, what are the three numbers times each other give you number that's close to 192? Can we do by 3? Or 27? Can you divide by 27? What are you going to get? 64. If you divide by 27, give you 64. You sure? Do it again by the calculator. One 92 divided by 27. No, that's not good. So 192 divided by
28.
by 2, give you 96. Okay. 92 divided by 96 divided by 3,
33.
divided by 2.
16.
Oh, okay. So 2 is good. 2 is good, right? So we can say okay. So 192 divided by 8, how much? 192
24.
divided by 8, 24. So you have 24. Okay? 24 divided by 8, 3, 3 and 1. Very good. So now we got the solution. 8 times 8 is what?
6.
64 times 3 times what? X. All this under the cube root. 64 goes outside, become what?
3. 0.
8. 60. No, no, no. Wait, wait. We have a mistake here. 64 goes outside. We cannot take 64 outside. It has to be 2 times 2 times 2.
Times 2.
3 twos, right?
Yes. 3. Yeah.
3 twos. So if you take 64 outside, this one 2 and this one is 2. So it's going to be 4. Yes. Okay? And what's left under the cube root? 3x. Okay? So now, can I subtract this from this? Yes or no? Subtract this from this. You're going to say, how can you subtract it, teacher? I'll tell you how. Hold on. Now I'll do it in pink color. So we got this here. 3x cube root of 3x minus 4 cube root of 3x. So now we have 3x minus 4. And what is the cube? 3x. Easy? Easy or hard?
Sound like it.
So this one is this one here, that's answer, and this answer. Okay. And I combine them together. I combine this, I put it here. And I put this here. And then I subtract. And you get your final answer. This is your final answer. Where you put this? You put it here. Is this clear?
That's it.
Okay. Let's go to the next one. Number 9. Simplify using quotient rule. All variables in radicands represent positive real numbers. Okay, so take a look at this. We have to the which root?
5.
5. So 128, I can divide by what? By 2, correct? What are you going to get? 6, 4, right? Divide by 2, 3 and 2. Divide by 2, 16. Divide by 2,
8.
8. Divide by 2,
4.
divide by 2,
2.
divide by 2,
1.
1. Now, how many 2's do you need?
Only 3. 8.
How many 2's you need?
5.
5. So how many? So take a look at 5 here. So 2. Yes. So if you put this outside, it becomes
2.
only 2. And what's left?
Uh,
4. Correct. Okay. What about? So I'm done with the 128. Correct. 128. If you do like this, 128 to the 5th power, your answer will be what? 2 fifth root of what? 4. I'm finished with the first one. What about x to the power of 13 to the 5th root? Can I divide 13 by 5?
no, we can't.
Can I divide by 10?
Yeah.
So x to the power of 10 times x to the power of what? 3. X to the power of 10 goes outside, become what? X to the power of 10 divided by 2?
2.
10 divided by 5? 2. And what's left?
X for the 4.
So I'm done with this. What's left now?
1.
This is easy. If this goes outside, become what?
2.
2. So your final answer will be as follows. What's in the top?
And the top 2.
2. And what else? X squared, x power of 3. What about the bottom?
2.
Y to the power of what?
2. 5.
2. Correct. Easy as easy? Easy or not easy? So we got the 2 here. I put the 2 here, you see? And I got this one. This one, remember, this is to the power of what? 5. We're missing something here. What's missing? The 4. So you have to put 4 here. Is this clear?
X.
Clear or not clear?
Clear.
And this one, I put it in green color, right? This one. Where is this one? It's over here, right?
Yes.
And y to the power of 4, I put it in red color. This one. I put it here. Okay? Color coded. Color coded. Okay? So that's your answer. You find answer. Where you put the final answer? In the box here. Next, number 10. Now, what's the power here? The index. This is called index, right? Index. What is the index?
Square.
Yeah. So both of them are the same, correct?
Yes.
So I can combine them, right?
Yes.
Correct? 192 divided by 3. Correct? So you have 64. And x to the power of 3 divided by x squared. So you get x squared. Okay? Clear or not clear? Now, 64. Can I take 64 outside? Divide by what? By 8. Divide by 8. So this 2 goes outside, become 1/8, correct? So your answer is 8. X to the power of 2, square root of x to the power of 2, how much?
X.
X. So your final answer is what?
86.
Where do you put this?
And
In the box. Is this clear?
some.
Okay.